Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sigala. In this session, we learn the string handling function in C language. So here I share my laptop screen and fix the goal. So here our goal is a string handling function. So I set my screen to here to so you can watch my video better way. And here Turbo C++ is there. I just double click and take some time. Yes, now it's open. Alt F, that file menu is open, taking new file, and here our goal, string handling function. So there are two type of function, inbuilt function and user defined function. So string handling function is a inbuilt function. So first we can see in help library, and that is a string.h, that help, and here so many function is there. So that one session we cannot take all function, but more use we can take. So like I first in back, and here we can like str string length. Yes, so str string length, then str and compare is and concat is there, or and copy is there. So many function is there, and without and str copy is there, or a string comparison is there, string concat cat concatenation is there. So there are so many function is there. Okay, so and also let us first strcpy, that syntax. So that header file is required to string.h and copy the source to destination. So here that definition, or you can say that declaration. So here that source string, that second and first is a destination string. So we can first use this. So now we can include our header file and give one example so you can understand better way. So stdio.h, and then conio.h, console input output, and then one extra header file, and that is a string.h, because we have to see the string.h holding the string function over header file in editor. So that is a we can use, and here we can character and str1 and then 20 characters. So that is a in C and C++ there is no string and boolean data type. So we can take help of inbuilt character, and that is a derived array, one dimensional array is their character. So that is a one dimensional array character data type, and then we can second str2 and also 20. So then we can copy. So I just here screen that use inbuilt function, and then we can scan, enter one string. So string are with blank is space is also possible. So we cannot use scanf function. So if you not watch my video, so uh, scanf versus getS function, so you can watch that video, because get scanf function blank space is not only one word taking. So we can directly here use the getS function. So all blank space is also possible, two word or one line is possible. For maximum we can here define 20 character. So here I pass the just str1. Okay, or here we can pass yes one. So now first we can print, how to print and how to scan string. So the we can say that first string is and percentage s, yes, that format symbol is percentage s, and str1 we have to print. So here I also not declare this first, yes, only one. First we can scan and print, and then we can copy. Okay, so first how to scan and how to print string we can understand, and then we can, okay, first give the file name. So str underscore function string function dot c. Okay, so that is a name, and now compile. Yes, there is no error, and our exe file is generated, executable file, and run. So we can scan one string. So like I give good morning. So there is a one two word and one in blank space is including. So there are uh, both are print. Yes. So first string is good morning. Yes. So that is a scanning and printing we have to perfect, and now we can done the copy. So I take now second, and that is same 20 character, and we can use the strcp cpy string copy that form, and that first is a destination. So here our destination str2 and str1 is a source. Yes, our source string. So now here after copy we can print. Here I take that and both we have to print. So let us understand that print or not. So yes, here one is remaining, and here give the second. Yes, so second, and then slash n we have to provide, so new line. Yes, and here we can print the two second string. Now yes, we can take the yes. So let us how it's copy. So yes, I give some different names like PCA and then SAM1. Yes, so yes, first one. So that is copy. First string and second is both is same. So how many that is string function we can also apply our own logic without string function we can also copy, but we can we see in this not session I just give one idea, but here we cannot use. So how it's done, how to complete our session. So every string is a terminate with a null value. So what is a null value? So if your mind question, so like a single quote slash and zero and slash, that is a null value in C language. So every string terminate with this. So we can take ourselves that coding in like that. What is a coding? So that is a copy. Here our that is a destination, and that is a that is source, and that is destination string 2. So that copy. So we can develop our own logic. How it done our logic? Like I give one example. So here I take third string and 20 character. Okay, and when we can take integer variables, so we can take copy ourselves. So here I our variable, and then for loop we have to take. So I equal to 0. Yes, and then str1 I copy. So that is a, we can say that number of character how it's executes. So here we can not equal to null value. So that time our loop is execute. Okay, because we can say that every string terminate with null, so not equal to. So if that equals, so that our condition is false, so that is come out loop. And here what to do, here str3 of I, yes, that is copy 0 element, and which source, so here str1 of I. So that is a copy, but we can provide ourselves copy. That time we can take that exit time we can provide the null value. That is not provided by, because string handling copy that is itself provide. But when we can take to ourselves copy, that time we can provide the null also. So we can provide, and now I just print that is same or some different value. So that is developed to our own logic. So what happened? Here str not equal to null, so I equal to 0. So that is a 1D array, index start with 0. So I plus plus, so one letter by one copying here up to not equal to null. That type, that condition is true. So all are that is source, and that is a destination copy, and then we can print here third our string that is define our own logic. So here all function we have to define to our own logic. We cannot need to the string handling function, but we can directly use that is also benefit. Here there is no any error, and let us take one example. We can give like a BCA SAM1. So yes, so all are same because we have to copy to ourselves that develop our logic on logic. So I think you can understand what is happen. Yes, if you not happen this loop, how it's executing, you can also take the watch window. Yes, so Here after that, my in upcoming video lecture, I can take all without string handling, copy, compare, length. We can also count the length to ourselves. Yes, that is also possible. There is no any error. So that is, we can copy and develop to our own logic. Yes. Okay. So I think you can understand. So first, yes, that is first time I give the example, so we can take watch window, so you can better understand what is a happening build. So here, and then take our output window also, yes, and here our variable, that is str1 of I, so you can understand, and then str3, that is our copy, and that of I, and then I is also that, but we have to take also separate I. So now we can start our watch. You have to know very well here, control F8 is a starting, not like we can all are not trace, but our for loop we can trace. So F8 is red selection. Now then watch starting directly for loop. So I scan like our BCA SAM1. So enter. So just come out. So here you can watch first, that is a not any value, that is now taking, because I is 0, then they take value. So now that garbage value is there, but now I press F7, so that is BCF, first letter is selected. Okay, so that is a copy in like that two string is printed. Yes, here our scanning 1 and 2 is printed because we have to pass out this, and now start our third string is not print because we have to take copy. So str1 I is a b of index start with 0, so I is 0, so that copy letter in str0, so that is a copy character by character. So I press F7, so that is again C. B is copying one string to third string str, and C turn, C is index 1, so index start with 0. So now again I that BCA, and now blank, yes, blank is there in BCA, and then blank, and SAM, that S is copy, yes. So one by one character is copy, so that is a, yes. Now E, this SAM SEE, and then plus, so I6, and here you can see the M, and last is SAM1, one is there, yes. So 7 letter, and now that holding the null value, so that not equal to, so that condition is false, so that come out, and null we have to provide to ourselves, and then same third string is printed, and our all copy is there. So that is a string copy to develop to our own logic. Okay. So all function you can develop your own logic. That is possible. So now I remove this red line. Yes, Control F8 again press and remove. So here we can use the string copy, and now here now I use the second string function, and that is name. We can take length integer variable, and that we can print the length to ourselves. So here strlen function is there, string length, and we can pass our third string copy, and now we print the length. That we can also our own logic in this also length we have to take in same for loop, just integer value and take plus plus, that is only finish. So after that we can print, but here I just use inbuilt. So length, yes, string, yes, string 3. So string, we can say that I just directly 3, string 3 length is, yes, that type of message, and percentage d, because length is an integer, so len, yes, and slash n. So yes, how its length we can set like again I'll give BCS M1, so that is a 8 6 3 7, yeah, blank space is considered, so 8 character is there with blank space. So BCA 3 plus same 1 set 4 and 1 blank, so 8 character length. Null is not considered. Okay, null is a every string terminate with a null value, so that is that value in the C language, that is known as a null. So in that also you can write that null, yes, but in uppercase null. Okay, so that is also, but that string is always zero slash that slash zero is a null value. Okay, so second function we have to use, and then we can uh, concat. So here now we can uh, concatenation of that. We can take other, and that size is large. So I give 50 character. Okay, so we can concatenation. So I use the strcat concatenation function is there. So here what we can do, so here concat, so str is not required, but we can take. So here first like we can concat two string, so we can pass like str1 and str2. Okay, first we cannot use this fourth declaration. I just remove this. After we can, if required, then we can take. Okay, so concatenation. So string 2 is one concatenation. So I just print again that string 1. Yes, so here is there. So here we can give some different values. So then possible. Yes. So now I, yes. So concatenation, and then I also give the slash n. Okay, and now we can just so first string, so that is a concatenation in second string, so that is we can copy in second, so that a two time print. Yes, let us check. First I give like only one word first time, Sitaram. So yes, so there is two time concatenation, because that copy in same first string in copy in second string. So in first string that concatenation Sitaram Sitaram two time, and then length is 7, and our copy logic is also perfect work is copy. Okay, so we can give some like here we can copy. So we can give also two separate string, but here we can give some different example. Like we can give like good, uh, but that is two time. Yes. So yes, yes, that is two time. Good morning, good morning. Because we have concatenation. Concatenation means two string is a merge. Okay, merging or concatenation, that known as full form string concatenation. See, also we can take our logic, but that session I cannot take because that session is so long time, long ago. Okay, so we can take directly inbuilt function. And now comparison. So here next we can take two strings. So if condition. So here I use the string comparison. So that is a str, and that's cmp comparison. So here I compare like string our copy ourselves. So that is a string 2 and string 3. If both are same, then return 0. So here we can just press the message, the both string are same. Yes, so that is only message, and else we can print yes, else yes, else yes, and just copy this line, and otherwise not a 0. That means that not a same. So here both string are not same. Yes, that type, like number is Armstrong or not, that type of. So strcmp compare, or cat concatenation. Okay, so here we can compare string 2 and 3. Okay, so yes, that string 2. Okay, because we have to not use 1 because that is a concatenation. So 2 and 3 we have to use. Okay, so let us same example VCSM1. Yes, so that is a slash n is provided, but here our string 2, both string are same, because our 2 and third, that is BCSM1 BCSM1, so both string are same. Okay, and now I provide plus slash n, and then take now I compare the concatenation string of 1 and 2. 1 and 2, so that is not same. Yes, let us how it's not same, because we have two concatenation. So BCA same 1, yes, that is small. So both string are not same, because first is a concatenation BCSM1 BCSM2 time, and that is second is only BCSM1, so that both are not same. So string comparison, that no full form is CMP. And length we have to use compare concatenation, and last we have to use the reverse only directly, that is use reverse. So here we can reverse order str rev reverse, so all character are reverse order. So we can take reverse, so directly pass that string. Okay, so that is a reverse directly. So str, like we can take which string we have to pass, not use, we have to use that pass, so better. So here we can take one is a concatenation, two is not, I think, yes, that not use. So three is possibility. So here I give the two. Okay, so yes, and then print again. So here what, here second, so I just copy this line and then paste. So how it's that is a directly reverse that string. So there is no any error, reverse order. So automatically we can take also our own logic to one taking one for loop. Okay, so BCA same one, just same example, and let us that is reverse order. Second string is also we can give the message is reverse order. So first digit is same one, and one MES, then ACB or BCS, so all are reverse. So that is reverse order. Like in our reverse number logic, same, that is reverse of string automatically strrev, string reverse. So okay, so here we can use the string copy, yes, then string length second, then concatenation third, string comparison, and then string rev, reverse order. Okay. So just pass the string, and here we can change the message, the string, second string in reverse order. So that message is long, reverse order. Okay. So second string in reverse order string. Okay. Second string in reverse order string. So now so many we have to testing, or so many string function, and we have to use also copy, comparison, concatenation. So number of character that like copy, concatenation, and comparison. So that is also possible, but we cannot take in this example. So that is a first string. There are, I use the like str, copy, length, and comparison and reverse. So there are, I think, 5 function we have to use. Yes, that is first copy, then length second, yes, and then concatenation third, comparison fourth, and reverse is a fifth. So many function is there. So if you my Nero publication book is there, I give one every function one example to taking in my book. That is a Ahmedabad publication, Nero publication. I author I am, and in this book, so I developed the fourth chapter very detailed in every like math function, string function, date and time function, memory allocation functions. So and so many we can take all example with one string or function, all function take by one, and giving the example of that in my book. So you can refer, because that only one session not cover all this. My upcoming video lecture, I remaining also I cover if okay. So I think you can understand. So now I close this session. That is a string handling function. Here I just use only as a sample 5 we have to take. Next we have to take more. And also we can, without string handling, you can use our own logic. That is also possible. So all function, that is only one example, but you can define your own logic in every function, like comparison, concatenation, reverse, all we can take for loop and take also reverse order. Okay. So now I close this session, write this program to your not string handling function, okay, and then close this, yes, our watch output and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalaikwani, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture. And any doubt for any C programming question, you write in comment, so I give the answer. Okay, and thanks again and Hare Krishna.